and shake, 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 shake. Hi, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chloe and I'll be your instructor today. Here in this space, we don't just learn how to twerk, we remember how to reconnect with our body. And today we are learning how to motor booty on the ground. So I would encourage you to, if you have them, dance knee pads are really helpful. If you don't, you can use just cushions, place them under your knees, or if you have long socks, you can wrap them around your knees. And we just want that for a little bit of slide. If you haven't already warmed up, I would encourage you to warm up before we do this practice because it can be a little bit on our knees and our hip flexors. So we need to make sure our bodies are nice and warm so we can do this nice and safely. If you are looking for a warm-up, you can do my warm-up right here, nice and quick and easy. Pause this video, do that, and then come back. All right, so I'm going to move the camera down to the floor and we're going to get started. I'm going to demonstrate the move and then we're going to learn it step by step together. So this is what it looks like. And shake, 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 shake. So we're going to start with just revising our hip movements with the motor booty or the booty bounce. If you haven't done the tutorial already, feel free to do it if you want. Otherwise, we're just going to revise over the hip movements and then we're going to put it into our motor booty on the floor. So we're going to start with our neutral pelvis, which is directly underneath us. And then we're going to move it back into this hyperextended position, bring it underneath, back, underneath, back, underneath, back, underneath, back. Beautiful. Now bringing it into a sort of kneeling position, we're going to bring it into neutral, your pelvis sitting directly underneath you, and then we're going to move it back, under, back, under, back, under, back. Beautiful. Now from here, we're going to bring our hands in front of us and we're going to move our knees into a very comfortable position. This is going to look different for wherever you're at in your flexibility. So I want you to make sure it feels comfortable because we are going to be weight bearing on our hips. So you don't want to overstretch yourself too much, but you want to make sure that you are comfortable. So we are going to, from here, move our pelvis back and down, back and down, back and down, back and down. Beautiful. You might feel a little bit of a stretch here. That's fine. With the motor booty, the accent is on the down. So we're dropping it down, 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 down. I'm going to show you that from the back. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The emphasis on the down, down, down. With this, I do move my knees a little bit in and out, in and out. So from the front, you might be able to see it a little bit better. The knees are moving in and out, in and out, in and out. This is just a little tiny movement, and it happens if you are feeling like there's not enough flexibility to just drop it, drop it, drop it. Otherwise, you can just use your hips, but a little life hack, we're bringing knees in, 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 and then when we come out, the pelvis is coming down, 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 down. Beautiful. So let's try that together. Pushing the knees out, 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 out. And now we want to speed it up. Ba, 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 ba. If you're finding this too much of a stretch, you can make sure that your feet are pointing in and they're not in this froggy position. That is going to feel a little bit more of a stretch. So we want them in so you can concentrate on down, 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 down. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me for this tutorial. If you enjoyed this and you want to learn a little bit more twerk on the floor, it's my first love, you can leave a comment and let me know. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, pop it in the comments, and let's keep twerking together.